If you're dealing with a sudden leak or burst pipe, one of the first questions on your mind is the broken water pipe repair cost in Salt Lake City. And that's exactly where we come in. Plumbing emergencies can strike at any time, and when they do, you need fast, reliable help. Our team of licensed emergency plumbers in Salt Lake City is on call 24/7 to handle the unexpected. Whether it's a flooded basement or a soaked ceiling, we provide quick assessments and upfront estimates, so you'll always know the broken water pipe repair cost in Salt Lake City before we begin. But burst pipes aren't the only issue we handle. If your hot water suddenly disappears, we're ready with expert diagnostics and affordable water heater repair costs in Salt Lake City options to get your system running again. Now, we understand that when you're in a bind, you don't just need fast service, you need fair pricing. That's why we keep emergency plumber costs in Salt Lake City transparent and competitive without cutting corners. From leaks and clogs to full-blown floods, trust the experts in emergency plumbing Salt Lake City residents depend on. We'll show up fast, work efficiently, and make sure you understand every step and every cost. When water strikes, don't wait. Call now and get clear answers on your broken water pipe repair cost in Salt Lake City, and let us take care of the rest. Get an honest estimate today. Call 385-300-1099 or visit emergencyplumbingsaltlakecity.com.